Are you struggling to find a quick, satisfying vegan meal that's also gluten free and perfect for meal prep? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hearty vegan burrito filling mixture that's loaded with flavor, protein, and veggies. And the best part, you can make it all in the Instapot. Stick around because I'll share my tips on assembling the perfect burrito that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Let's get started. While I personally prefer using the Instapot for cooking, fear not, each stovetop recipe is readily available on my website for your convenience. Here's everything you'll need: white onion, sweet peppers, minced garlic, black beans, rice, corn, fresh kale, and mild salsa. Plus, we'll be seasoning it up with cumin, chili powder, paprika, and salt. Step 1. Let's chop up 1 cup of white onion. I always use my glass Pyrex to measure the ingredients. Next, you'll need to chop up 2 cups of sweet peppers. Use any color you like: red, yellow, orange. They all add that nice sweetness. Then mince up 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic. You can also use pre-minced garlic if you want to save a little time. I buy the organic peeled cloves to save time. Now grab a can of black beans, drain and rinse them well to remove any extra salt or starch. The blue strainer is one of my favorite Amazon buys. It's so handy for rinsing rice and canned goods. Measure out 2 cups of parboiled rice. Make sure to give it a good rinse and soak before cooking to remove any excess starch. This will help keep the burrito filling from becoming too sticky. And finally, chop 1 cup of fresh kale. The finer you chop it, the better it will blend into the burrito filling. Now let's saute our veggies. Set your Instapot to saute and add 1/4 cup of water instead of oil. Once that's heated up, add your chopped onions, sweet peppers, and minced garlic. Let those cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. I love how the garlic and onions smell together. It's so good. Now it's time to add the spices. We got ground cumin, chili powder, paprika, and salt. This is going to give the filling that classic bold burrito flavor. Stir it all together to coat the veggies. Once the spices are mixed in, turn off the saute function. Now it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. Start by adding the drained black beans, followed by the corn, fresh kale, 2 cups of salsa, and 3 cups of water. Stir everything together so the flavors can start to combine. Now close the lid and set the Instapot to high pressure for 24 minutes. After that, let it naturally release for 10 minutes before carefully opening the lid. Look at that, everything is perfectly cooked and the filling is ready to go. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. My favorite gluten-free products to complete this recipe are the Violife Mexican shredded non-dairy cheese, Mission gluten-free wraps, Elmhurst dairy-free sour cream, and wholly chunky guacamole. Time to assemble. Grab your heated gluten-free tortillas and add a scoop of this delicious filling, and then top with some shredded lettuce, sour cream, and guacamole. If you like a little heat, add some jalapeno slices or hot sauce. This burrito is packed with flavor and the filling is so hearty and satisfying. You're gonna love this meal prep for an easy dinner. You can even eat this in a bowl with lettuce, cheese, and sour cream. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more yummy recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Check my website for a full printable recipe, and most of the products and ingredients I used are linked in the description below. And I'll see you next time.